taking, this is for Euro, taking the spark plugs out, BMW 735i from Germany. It's pretty self-explanatory. Well, there was hole 1, 2, 3, and it goes through. You'll see, wherever it is. On the passenger side, you get easy access to it. The plug wires just come off just straight out. It's easy peasy. Pumpkin pie. If you like this, you can clean them up. It's from lack of use. Not driving it. There's that tip of the spark plug. That hole right down there. Yeah. These are, man, a breeze. Spark plugs. 735i. Number 3. There's that next Mass Marauder culprit. Spark plug. The gopher in the hole. For this one, I used to like a extension that, you know, moves so you don't get caught up right here behind here with the head of the ratchet, back of the head of the ratchet. There's that last little spark plug, gotta get out near the firewall. My bad, this is the second to the last. There's still one right here. Okay, there's a straight shot. That last little spark plug right there. Last one, straight shot. Okay, cleaned up. Grease. Gotta guide it in there. Tight. Gotta tighten that. Number 2 is tight. That one was a little challenge to get in there. You can't put any dirt on the tip of the spark plug. Number 3 is tight. 4 with this extension that moves. Number 5, I gotta just tighten it. 5 was tight. That last one, the firewall. Tighten it. That one's tight. They're all tight. They're all tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one in there.